the question that I got here. Should I make any repairs or renovations before selling my property? Making repairs and renovations could potentially add value to your property as well as a better appeal. Also, focus on the cost-effective upgrades. Cost-effective upgrades, cosmetic upgrades, obvious upgrades such as new flooring, fresh paint, upgrade fixtures. So any obvious upgrade that could potentially attract a buyer, and if not done, it could potentially discourage buyers. So please do upgrade your house, your property, before you sell it. For any real estate need, contact me 081 84 39 424, Paulina Oiva at Parrot Peak Properties.